Thank you for your interest in Garage Living, the innovative leaders in complete garage transformations. To better understand our customer experience, from design consultation through installation, we've created the following short video. The process starts by visiting our showroom, our website, or meeting at one of the many events that Garage Living attends. Once inspired, we welcome your call to book your complimentary in-home design consultation. Alternatively, feel free to complete an online design consultation request at garageliving.com. Once submitted, you will receive an email confirmation of your online request, followed up by a phone call within 24 hours. Our team will ask you a few questions to understand and confirm precisely what products and services you are interested in for your garage project. They will gather information such as the size of your garage and the condition of your floor. Finally, they will review your budget expectations and establish dates and times when you and your design consultant can meet. In preparation for your consultation, your design consultant will call you in advance to introduce themselves. Based on your needs, your design consultant may email you additional helpful information. Our team wants to make this entire experience as comfortable and as simple as possible. At your in-home consultation, your design consultant will arrive with a full kit of samples to view colors, digital visuals, and product information sheets. This will help guide your decision-making while providing recommendations. Every client and project is unique. We will review your requirements to understand your wants and needs, take detailed measurements, and even capture photos of your space to provide points of reference, all so that we can tailor a custom solution for you. Upon completion, your design consultant will have everything needed to begin the design of your new garage transformation. Next, we will create a 3D drawing of your garage using our CAD software. The drawing will help us plan your space and help you envision the completed project before work begins. Once complete, we will schedule a mutually convenient time to review your design in person at the Garage Living showroom. We will also send you a preview of both the design and quote by email. Your design can be reviewed in our showroom or in the comfort of your home. Once the design and quote have been finalized and confirmed, your installation date will be scheduled. Your Garage Living products and services come with an extensive warranty to ensure your project is of the highest quality and meets Garage Living standards for years to come. Should you have any questions about your design consultation, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks again for your interest in Garage Living. We look forward to working with you.